Namo Nama, everybody. Welcome to Saksharita, the Spiritual Center. Today we have a new process for you here where we will do a candle reading. And through this candle reading, we will understand, we will have a peek into the new year that's coming, 2026. With the divine grace, the universe will send us the message what to expect in 2026, what to look out for in 2026. So let's get started. This is a new concept of candle reading. Thank you, Rachana ma'am. Gratitude to you. Jai Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev. So we light our candle. Jai Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev. We see here in this reading, we can expect positive things. Yes, a lot of positive things are going to be happening. And let's look today at what's our country, Bharat. What to expect in our country. The flame is high. So there's going to be a lot of activity that will be taking place, more than the usual activity that will take place. And there is positivity, yes, but a shadow of the negativity is seen in the flame. We can see a shadow of negativity. This indicates, yes, a high level of negativity, pretty high. So we need to look out for a lot of things. What is the universe trying to tell us? What is the message that the universe is giving us? We have the protection of the divine. Yes, our country is Devbhumi. But we can expect a lot of negative activities that will try to bring about instability in the country. So is this going to succeed? Will the negativity succeed? Will our country have to pay a price? What does 2026 hold for our country? There is seen the protection of the divine, undoubtedly. But we can also see a lot of smoke. Kala dhua, which indicates a lot of negativity, which will impact our country. So we need to look out for certain things that will try to bring our country down. But they wouldn't be able to succeed. You see, the wax is hardly falling. So they really wouldn't be able to succeed, although they will be trying. And the fire is high. The impact of Surya Deva will be high. There seems to be a shift that will be trying to take place on the energy level. A shift from 3D to more spiritual consciousness that is seen. The black is getting engulfed by blue and green. So yes, there'll be a lot of spiritual awareness. Although there will be a lot of attempts to try to bring discord in the country, but there will be a containment of that. वो नहीं जीत पाएंगे. हमारी कंट्री स्टेबल स्टेडी रहेगा. हलचल दिखेगा ऊपर ऊपर से, लेकिन नीचे की तरफ से it will remain steady and it will keep growing. तीन चार देशों में थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी दिख रहा है. About 3 to 4 states will go through a very difficult time. But yes, फूल दिख रहे हैं. आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे फूल दिख रहे हैं. The positive sign that we will pull out through this. We'll remain stable. United रहेंगे. Yes. इसके साथ में हाँ, गणपति जी का आशीर्वाद रहेगा. We can expect some kind of some calamities होंगे. ये बच्चों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा. बच्चे देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. We have to, it's very sensitive for the children. Yes, और बच्चे देख रहे हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चे देख रहे हैं. तो बच्चों के लिए एक difficult time period रहेगा. So parents need to be a little bit more careful about their security, their welfare. There will be some kind of difficulties in the Himalayan ranges, natural calamities. There are a lot of children being seen all over. हर जगह पे बहुत सारे छोटे बच्चे दिख रहे हैं. तो कुछ तो इंसिडेंट होगा connected with children. which will not be good, which will not be positive. ये हनुमान जी का एक अलग से बहुत ज्यादा प्रार्थना वगैरह उत्तेजित होने की चांसेस दिख रहा है। Probably people will turn to prayer. Probably people will turn to Hanumanji for protection, for safety, for help, for rescue. या वो संकेत दे रहे हैं कि हमें बुलाओ, हम आ जाएंगे। स्मोक अभी भी है, नेगेटिविटीज अभी भी दिख रही है, गई नहीं है। तो 2026 essentially is going to be a turning point. There is going to be an attempt सब कुछ बिखर देने के लिए, to maybe scatter or however, yes, we will survive this. Without much loss. लेकिन हाँ, लॉसेस होने की संभावना है। कुछ तो नुकसान डेफिनेटली होगा, बट ओवरऑल पिक्चर इज, हाँ, भारत उभर के आएगी इसमें से। छोटे छोटे कदम रहेंगे। The government will possibly come out with small steps which will make a huge difference. There will be some laws with regard to children, some new rules that will be brought out with regard to children. बच्चे बोलते हैं तो बहुत सारी नेगेटिविटी आ रही है। Whenever the word children are used, a lot of negativity is coming up. So therefore, ये नेगेटिविटी की टारगेट ज्यादातर से बच्चे रहेंगे। हिमालयन रेंजेस में कुछ आपत्ति आ सकती है, some kind of a natural calamity. Overall, it will be a taxing period. गाढ़ा होता जा रहा है, देखिए। एंजल्स है प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, but it also calls for a lot of awareness. बहुत अवेयर रहना पड़ेगा, सतर्क रहना पड़ेगा। So it calls for people to be a little bit more careful. हलचल होने वाला है। 2025 जैसे था, वो लगता है एक प्रीव्यू था 26 में। It seems there will be a little bit more revelation, a little bit more of things happening. वॉर दिखती है यहाँ पे। Yes, India will be at war. हमारे नेबर से हमें सतर्क रहना पड़ेगा, नेबरिंग कंट्रीज से सतर्क रहना पड़ेगा। और हमारे नॉर्थ में जो बैठा है चाइना, we will have to be a little careful about their intentions. कुछ एलमेंट आने की चांसेस है, दिख रहा है, मे बी फ्रॉम चाइना, मे बी सम एलमेंट्स, जैसे पहले कोविड पैंडेमिक हुआ था उसी तरह से कुछ दिख रहा है। कितना इंटेंस रहेगा वो नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन संभावना दिख रही है, चांसेस दिख रहा है, प्रोबेबिलिटी है। And yes, it's a constant indication towards the Himalayan ranges. So we need to be very, very careful. When people tour the place, it's better to be careful, cautious. कि कहीं फंस ना जाए कहीं पे। दूसरे कंट्रीज इंटरफियर करेंगे, हस्ताक्षर करने की कोशिश करेंगे इन इंडियन मैटर्स। पूरी ट्रायंगल दिख रही है। Overall, not a very healthy period, not a very good period. The only positive side is that yes, we will come out of this. India will not collapse, Bharat will not collapse. Bharat will continue, our economy will do good. However, difficulties बहुत आएंगे, and कोई तो दिव्य इंसान का बहुत प्रभाव रहेगा। बहुत प्रभाव रहेगा upon our country, upon our overall outlook, mindset. That will bring a small, very subtle but small and clear shift in our thought processes, mindset, that will enable the shift from 3D to 5D. Yes. So, my dear friends, let's conclude with this reading. This is a new process called as candle reading, which we have initiated. To learn more, do get in touch with us and do contact us, or you can WhatsApp message only, not calls, message only on 996 9928 999. Thank you all so much. Namo Namah. Jai Vishwanath. Jai Gurudev.